Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a quick tutorial, I guess you would call it, on how I clean my couch. I've had some viewers ask me why in the world I would get a white couch, so I'm going to show you how I keep it clean and put together. I actually decided to join this challenge that one of my favorite YouTubers started. Katie, thank you so much for doing this. So I jumped on board and I'm going to show you guys how I keep my white couch clean. So with 5 kids, it seems pretty daunting, but thankfully we spent a little more on this by getting stain protection on it. So honestly, if stains get on it, it's not that big of a deal. It was definitely a stretch to get this color, but I loved it. It's what I wanted, and you only live once, so I did it. So I got the cushions off, and now I'm going to use my V8 Absolute vacuum to get all of the crumbs and the yucky stuff out of the grooves and whatnot. We don't let our kids drink or eat in the living room, so it's not too bad, but this definitely needed to be done. Thankfully, Ruby does not shed, so I don't have to worry about pet hair. I'm just going to vacuum everywhere that it needs it, obviously, and it definitely sure does make the fabric look so much nicer. So I found a little stain. I found a crayon actually that got stuck there, and it was yellow crayon, and I just took some warm water and a little bit of soap on this rag and it came right up. Thank goodness. I love the attachments with this vacuum. It gets in every little crevice and all the angles. This vacuum I highly recommend it. Highly. This is the Absolute, V8 Absolute. Found another little stain, came right on out, and now I'm going to put this back together. This particular couch we got from Haverty's, and we chose the option we wanted. You can do anything you want with this particular type. We got a chase on one side and a cuddler on the other, and we love it, guys. Honestly, it's the best couch we have ever had. It's got separate springs in each section, so I would highly recommend it. If you guys have a Haverty's, definitely check it out. I'll put the information on this sectional in my description box below. Now I'm going to put everything back together. My husband came home, so he is such a big help, and I'm putting my blue blanket back on the couch. I think it just makes me feel better, thinking that the side of it's not going to get too dirty. Now my husband's going to go underneath and get all the junk and the toys out from under it, and we found a little friend like always. This was a pretty quick video, guys. I just wanted to show you how I clean my couch and keep it clean. I hope it inspires you to do the same. A little vacuum does wonders. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around with me. Like this video, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'm uploading more videos each and every week. And as always, I love you guys.